What's up, guys? It's Mikey so with a brand new video today. We're gonna do a Mickey Mouse voice. How to sound like Mickey Mouse. Some people say how you sound like Clayton Brown, how you sound like Mickey Mouse, but it's pretty easy. So, how you sound like Mickey Mouse? Step one. Step one. Drink water. I already drank water already, so I already did. But step two, put your tongue like this on your bottom of your lip, like this. Oh wee. Start saying wee oh. And they keep repeating it, oh wee oh. Oh boy, Start repeating, If you can't say you can say and make it like a high voice. You know, girls, people say I got a high voice. Oh boy, oh pal, oh Pluto, oh, Clayton Brown, what you doing right now? Oh man, I'm doing great, Mickey Mouse. Oh, oh man. And then you got that's very how you do it. Like it's simple and easy. Drink your water first. Drink your water. You have to drink your water to make it go down. Yeah. But Mickey Mouse voice, you have to bring your tongue to the bottom. Like this. And then you just make a high voice too. Oh boy. And it's hard to do a Minnie Mouse if you want to, but like Minnie Mouse is hard too. So you have to bring your tongue to your upper gums. Oh, that's Minnie Mouse too. It kind of sounds similar, but Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse. Oh boy, Minnie. How you doing, pal? Oh, thank you, Mickey. Well, that'll be the end of the tutorial. I hope you are it helps. But I'm road to 1,000 subscribers. Please subscribe, for real. Please subscribe and share, for real. I'm so close. Like, my sub count, I think it's like 871. I'm so close. Please subscribe. I hope you subscribe and share the video, pal. Thank you, pal.
What was that for? Oh, this son of a bitch.